I think I have a greater understanding on why I made this YouTube channel. A greater understanding on why I made this YouTube channel. See, before there was always this burning desire to speak to people, to help people, to deliver a message, right? And God has given me that gift to be able to speak, to connect with people, and so forth. But I was finding myself like thinking, like, okay, now what? Now what? Now what? Now what? Yeah, showing up every day, but now what? And now I understand, man, that and bear with me as I articulate this message for you guys because it's going to help you as well. Is that you are already at your destination. You are already at your destination. Sometimes you need to just take the time to realize that and take your time to unpack and settle at your destination. You see, the only thing I need to be focused on right now is how I can reach you guys more efficiently, more consistently, more effectively. Because I understand I am exactly where I need to be in life. And when the next things come, God will let me know. But right now, I need to stop trying to focus on what's next and focus so much more on where I'm at. Because this is exactly where I need to be. So how many of you right now in life, or you're ready to make the next step, you're ready to take the next move, you're ready to make this next jump. However, you haven't fully taken the time to understand, evaluate, appreciate, and get the most out of where you are at in life right now. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Kieran T. Davis, and I'm putting this video out with the intentions on helping as many people as possible. And I pray that God uses me in a way to speak through me, to allow this message to resonate, connect, and reach those for whom it's intended for. And I pray that it's less of me and more of you, and that this video will reach open minds, soft hearts. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. What is it that you are trying to reach? Where is it that you are trying to go? I know that you have a desire. I know that you are trying to reach somewhere for your family, for your loved ones, right? To be a better example for your community, be a better example for your friends, and let them know, hey man, we ain't got to do that. We can go do this, right? So that you don't have to just be the person that's just talking. You want to show it. You want to show it. You want to be the example. You ask God, make me an example of your blessing. God, make me an example of your kindness. God, make me an example, right? Give me a testimony to share with everyone where I came from, what I went through, where I'm at right now in life. Use me. Use me to display your power. Use me to display your greatness. Use me to display your love. Use me to display your grace. Use me to display your mercy. How many of you are asking God to use you? And how many of you are God's trying to use you in this way and you're trying to you want to use yourself in this way? God said, this is what I gave you these gifts and talents for. This is what I gave you all this for. And you want to use it for what you think it's for and not for what God is telling you. Hey, slow down, listen. You're going to get all of that, but I promise you, it's not, your plan for yourself is not greater than the plan I have for you. Listen, listen, listen. Let go of that control. Let go of that control. So many of you have been on your journey to be better, have a better life, and have more fulfillment. And so many of you are just starting that. And you're thinking, I'm trying to break generational curses. I'm trying to build generational wealth. I'm trying to become the best version of myself, right? But when I tell you that, as you start that journey and as you go deeper in that journey, that changes. Your perception of that changes. Your perception of your greatest self changes. Your perception of what wealth is changes. Your perception of what these generational curses truly are, they change. And you understand that you got more work to do than you actually thought you had to. But I'm trying to tell you here that you are already at that destination. You are already there. You see, once you reach that realization and that understanding, you are there. You are there. And understand that there isn't some, oh, I need to get to point A, B, C, D, C. No, 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 no. Listen. It is the destination is here. The journey is forever. If you think that you got to put in all this work to reach a certain destination, you'll be searching forever. You'll be lost in the wilderness. You'll be lost in the wilderness. Because see, the truth is, the only destination you need to reach in life is one where you find God. Is one where you find Jesus. That's the only destination that you actually need to find in life. Because right there is all the answers, all your guidance, all your growth, all your strength, all your security, all your forgiveness, all your kindness, all your mercy, all your grace, all your encouragement, all your motivation. Everything is there. And that's why I told you there's no destination besides that. And understand that you're already here. If you feel it in yourself that I am called to this, I am moved to this, I am motivated to this, I can't seem to shake this, that is because God has found you and you have found God. There's nowhere else you need to be. You will always be present in the destination. And now it's time for you to really fully understand and take your seats, to unpack your bag. You know, I've been at this job I've been at for almost a year now, right? This new role. And I haven't set up my office really. I haven't took the time to decorate my office, to buy things for my office, right? I just haven't. And just growing up, we moved so much, man. I was homeless. We lost so many things that I just never really allowed myself to get comfortable. And it's as if you're just waiting for it to be taken away. And God's saying that like good things are for you. You can have good things. You can be you can settle in, get comfortable, relax. This is where I want you to be. This is your destination. This is the destination. Do not reject what is for you. Do not reject what is for you. This is where you need to be. Settle. Get to know the people around you. I want you to pour into them. I brought you here for a reason. There's people here that you're going to connect with. There's people here that you're going to impact. There's people here that's going to impact you. I need you to settle in. I need you to get comfortable. I need you to get acquainted. Right? And I'm starting to set up my office. Buy a photo for the wall. You know, get some desk decoration and things like that. Make it your own. Claim it. Make it a place that you want to be. Make it comfortable. Put your own spin on it. Put your own print on it, right? How many of you have not claimed your own house for yourself? You have not made yourself comfortable in your own home because you don't think this is where you were. I want a mansion. I want millions and millions of dollars. I want all these other things like that. Right now, you're in a 1-bedroom apartment, and you haven't made it. You haven't made yourself comfortable. You haven't claimed it. But this is where you are right now. This is where you are right now. So many of us get trapped and focused on tomorrow that we take today for granted. And there's people right now who need you. There's people right now that you need. There's places right here that you can get impact and get so much from. There's a community right where you're at. There's something that you can do today that'll be the most ROI on anything you could do right now. It's happening right now. It's happening right now. And you keep overlooking it because you're trying to wait until you get to the destination you think you're supposed to get to, when you need to realize that you are already there right now. Because see, what happens is if you take the present for granted, you will continue to take the present for granted. So when you get to wherever you think you need to be at in life, when you are already always where you need to be at in life, How are you going to stop and appreciate when you get there? When you've never learned to appreciate the current moment. You see, I remember when I was 19 and I moved out on my own, and me and my friends, we one by one got our own place. We were roommate together, and one by one we would get our own place, and then we had a point we all had our own stuff. And I was 19 years old with my own 2-bedroom apartment, my own car, and things like that. And we thought that we had taken over the world. And even still then, I was still thinking, I can't wait to get where I want to be at in life. I can't wait to even get even more. But there was times where my 16th birthday, I told you, we woke up, I was sleeping in a van. And I was so focused on where I wanted to go in life that I took for granted my first place that I owned on my own. 2-bedroom apartment. I had a whole other bedroom just for like, I had 2 dressers in there, my ironing board, all my shoes. I ain't have a lot of shoes growing up, so you best believe I had Jordans, Forces, Air Maxes, Vans, whatever. And I didn't fully appreciate it because I was still trying to get somewhere else. No, you are where you need to be. And as you develop, you're going to get to the next place. But I need you to take everything in where you are right now. Take every message that God sends to you through someone else. Take every lesson that you learn. Take every conversation fully. Take it all in. Take it all in. Take it all in. Appreciate where you are. Be present. Be in the moment. Play your video game. Connect with your siblings. Connect with your family. Connect with your cousins. Go to the gym. Work out. Be present in your life right now. Take nothing for granted. Take nothing for granted. You're going to get there because it is God's plan for you. You're going to get there. But make sure that you enjoy the journey, because that is the real blessing. Becoming that person, not being that person. Because the only difference between you now and you then is the journey in between. You're already that person. Time just has to get there. And you're going to miss out on the movie. You're going to miss out on your own movie by trying to skip to the end of the movie. It's happening in front of you. It's happening before your eyes. It's happening. And you can't wait to get to the end of it. You don't want to see your character develop. Be present right now. Be present right now. Be present right now. That's it, man. Make sure you guys take the time to join our Discord community. The Discord community is just like a group chat that we have, but it's our own community where you guys can connect with each other and we can do different things like that. It's nothing crazy about it. It's free. For those of you who don't know what Discord is, but Discord is like an online community, and think of it like a group chat. You don't have to get all these notifications. You can turn the notifications off. You can mute them, whatever the case may be, but it's free. I want to connect with you guys. I want to grow and pour into you, and I want to learn from you guys as well. You guys have a lot of value, a lot of gifts and things like that. Just because I'm the guy on the camera doesn't make me better than you guys. No, you're my brothers, my sisters. We are equals. We are equal. I'm not better than any of you guys, right? I'm not better than any of you guys, and you're not better than me. Even if you guys might already be super, super successful and just watch my channel because you just love the message. You know what I mean? And it's like, we're gonna get there, but it's like, I just don't think like that. It doesn't matter if you're a man living on the streets or a man who, running the country. I still think of you as equal. I treat everybody the same respect. Same respect. I respect you all. I love you all. You know what I mean? 100%. But I love you guys. Take care of yourselves, and I will talk to you in the next video.